How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be talking about a particular issue that we're seeing with these newer cars with electronic parking brakes or electronic shifter buttons. So, on this particular issue, customer came in stating that a whole bunch of lights were on the dash, and you could see the park and brake indicator shows it's on, but it's not on dash. What happened was something here spilled, coffee or juice or soda, something along those lines. And we see this particularly on the 10 Gen Accords, 10 Gen Civics, and the latest Gen Pilots. So, and if it's a 2.0 test speed Accord, it'll have the electronic shifter, and we see same issue with that. We'll get codes and stuff, and at that point, the switches are bad. Same thing with the pilots. If you got the 9-speed Touring or Elite model, you're going to have the shifter buttons over here, and the same thing is going to happen. You can see also another issue we have is crumbs from maybe eating some bread or hamburger, cheeseburger, fries, whatever the case may be. And you can see the crumbs also get stuck in there and cause the switches to be engaged or half engaged or stuck on whatever the case may be. Something to keep your eyes on, something to keep your mind on, and just whenever you're drinking, you just got to be super careful you're not spilling, and if you are, you try to clean it immediately. In this case, the bond's very hard to move. See, gotta slow. It's still working, but inside it is failed. So mechanically it works. See the code over here. Circuit malfunction on parking brake. There you have it. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and stay tuned for future content.